Hi everyone, it's Tegan from the Soul Women's here, bringing you this brand new unboxing of this Nike Air Max 95 Premium. It's from the Fur Pack. I know all of you absolutely love the Air Force One, and now we're seeing the same kind of furry, cute details on this Air Max 95, which is an absolute streetwear classic. So as you can see, this is a bit of a monochrome colorway with these flashes of multicolours down the waves of the 95, and that's coming in a solar flare and an atomic pink colorway. You've also got a bit of green and yellow, and I'm absolutely loving it. All of it's furry, and it's so soft. Tongue is even softer, and they are so cozy. Not to mention the inside of the shoe, which is also coming in the same cozy, yeah, it's furry, it's cute. A little bit of extra detail comes in on the tongue where you've got the Air Max branding, as well as on the back where you've got more of a stripped back Nike Air swoosh. Underfoot, of course, you're still getting all of that Max Air cushioning under the heel and under the forefoot. So you won't just be kept warm, you're going to be kept comfy, cushioned, and it's coming in at £149. It's available on Nike right now, and it's the only winter sneaker that you're going to need in 2020 because it's going to be keeping you so cozy. If you want to shop the sneaker, make sure to tap the product tag on Instagram or hit the link above if you're on Twitter or on Facebook. See you next time.